I'm recording. So it's sealing the jar. It's sealing it. Sucking all the bubbles out. Yeah. So this one is like pickles and garlic. I want to try pickle garlic, so. This one don't take that long, still small.
Jimmy, that ain't coming off?
No, this ain't coming off. Look. But I'm gonna have to shake it now.
What about the other piece? Does that go on there?
No, this don't go on there. Because they gave some like that.
So how you supposed to take
But
that
it's
part
okay.
off when you open it?
I got it. I'll do it like that.
No, the other part.
Oh, they got a thing that come with it, pop with it. So these is garlic and that.
That's gonna be good.
I'm thinking about should I make another one?